statues are amazing.
Where are the
Statues.
statues?
You're.
I've changed my major lots of times.
Hasn't. I've gotten 2 degrees since 2010, and next year I will start a degree in history. I love learning new things.
My dad has seen the statue in New York, but I haven't. When I go there next time, I will take tons of photos of the statue.
Taught. Students. There. Studying. Studied.
Church. We haven't seen any famous buildings. We haven't seen any famous building. I haven't taken a photo of that building.
What? What is this of bus?
Photos.
Haven't.
My dad has seen the statue in New York, but I haven't. We've. I haven't taken a photo of that building.